Bookflix is a fun tool for reading fiction and nonfiction, and there are books in Spanish and English. When I'm at home and go to my school research resource page, I need to be logged in to my Round Rock ISD Gmail account. If so, I can click on this little padlock to get the username and password. When I open Bookflix, I'll get a screen that lets me type in my username and password. I'm going to skip the intro this time because I know all about Bookflix. There are books that are featured, a special fiction and nonfiction book, or you can go and choose from one of the 9 categories. I'd like to read a book about imagination. On imagination, you can scroll down to look at the different books available, or if you have something you really like, you can just do a search by typing in the name of the book. Look, here's Pigeon. I'm going to click on Pigeon. Don't let Pigeon drive the bus. And I can read a book about car safety. First, I want to watch the story. I'm going to click on Watch the Story. The story will actually be read to me if I want it to be. It looks like this. There's Pigeon. Or I can turn off the sound and read it myself. Hey, can I drive the bus? Or I can change this and read it in Espanol. Again, I can turn off the sound and read it myself. Now, when I'm done reading the story, when I'm done watching the story and I want to read the book. There's a nonfiction book that comes with this pair. I just click on this arrow to turn to the next page. I can read it myself, on the go. Vroom. Riding in a car can be fun. First, you need to learn how to be safe in and around the car. There's a special word, safe. If I click on it, I can listen and someone will tell me what it means. And I can also click on Espanol to read the book in Spanish. Los niños menores de 13 años deben viajar en el asiento de atrás. Es el lugar más seguro. I can do a read along. You can tell I need to practice some of my Spanish. When I'm done with the stories, I can do some puzzlers. There's a word match. I can find the clue and see if I can guess which word they're talking about. I can play fact or fiction. Do pigeons have dreams? I think that's fiction. Now, when I'm all done, I can look at the 3 pictures to decide which happened first. Did Pigeon see the bus? The pigeon begged to drive the bus? The driver drove the bus away. I'm going to guess that Pigeon begged to drive the bus. Not quite. What did this one say? The pigeon saw the bus. That's the first thing that happened. Now, right. And if I wanted to learn more, I can explore the web and find all kinds of other awesome websites. Bookflix is a lot of fun and it'll help me become a